Okay, good day, everybody. I'm Dr. Mina del M. Morales. I'm proud graduate of Canosa Academy Lipa, batch 2006. I'm currently affiliated in Mary Mediatrics Medical Center as manager for nursing quality and patient safety. I'm also a professor of Lyceum of the Philippines University, Batangas in the undergrad and graduate school program of College of Nursing. So, Canosa Academy. Canosa Academy is where my dream started. My knowledge and skills and the proper attitude had been honed by these excellent and passionate teachers and our sisters. And being inspired by the life story of our founder, Saint Magdalene of Canosa and Saint Josephine Bakita. Through my journey in the elementary and high school days, in terms of knowledge, they give me advanced learnings from science, mathematics, and English. Were very useful when I've achieved and in continue my journey in college level in LTU Batangas, in MA degree in Golden Gate, and my PhD degree in Trinity University of Asia. In terms of skills, they are not only focused with your knowledge, your intellect, but they are focused on the soft skills such as communication, such as interaction, camaraderie, and teamwork and collaboration through a lot of various clubs. And in my time, I have been a member of the SKC or Samahang Katekista ng Canosa. Every Thursday or Tuesday of the week, we went to school or in the public school, elementary public school, wherein we taught the subject of religion, how to pray and how to pray the rosary. And to that, that's the start of the igniting my passion to serve other people. And after the graduation of 2006, I continue my journey to achieve my dream to become a nurse. Being a nurse is not that easy task. It's a vocation, it's a calling, like what our founder did, serving the underserved and letting go of the earthly things. And Saint Josephine Bakita have the courage to fight for what is right, like I have also did. So in the past years, I've been fulfilling my life purpose. Continue to inspire the youth through leadership training in Philippine Red Cross Batangas chapter for almost 15 years as a volunteer instructor. In leadership, substance abuse, prevention, we have leadership and first aid training and BLS. I'm also an altruistic and a servant leader through Rotary. A proud member of downtown Lemery. I'm a Rotarian and also in line with the leadership transition. I'm the president nominee for 2027 to 2028. I'm also a member of the singer of the Cathedral Ambassadors, singing from the heart. Through this activity, I believe I am fulfilling our mission as a Canossian. Let Jesus known and loved, as Saint Magdalene said. So through the years of being a graduate of Canosa Academy Lipa, this gives me a better perspective and also a life of being a Christian person shares of God's love. So through these sacrifices, hardships, I saw some enlightenment, I saw some inspiration, and true fulfillment through my services. It is because of what my mentors from Canosa Academy, Lipa. They also gave me that feeling of passion, compassion, empathy, and that sense of purpose. Thus, I am giving it back to the community and giving it back to the most in need. And through that, I believe I'm fulfilling my mission as a Canossian. Thank you and good day.